everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download a conversation or LLM uh, or audio from Notebooklm. First of all, you have to create a new one, or maybe you have it created. For the method are very similar to each other. So first of all, you have to create a new one. If you haven't created yet, you can just add a Google Drive Docs or Google Slides or website, YouTube video, or you can just copy a text. In my case, I'm just copying a text and pasting this conversation, or you can chat with this thing as well. So I just simply did this copy pasting. So now here you can see the studio option, the top right corner. Just click on the generate button. It will generate the conversation in a podcast way. So this has created a new conversation. So simply you can just click.
Okay, so today we're diving into the world of.
So this has created a podcast like audio. So I will simply click on three dots, and here you can see the download button option is available. Just simply click on that. It will uh, give you to choose where to save this audio. Just simply choose the path and save it, and it will automatically download it to your file.
Okay, so
So,
today.
so this is how you can download your conversation or uh, notes in a audio form. If this tutorial help you in, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.